Hey signers, are you learning ASL? Then do these 5 things now. If you want to improve your ASL skills faster and actually feel confident signing, these 5 things will make a huge improvement. And the best part, you can start doing them today. So let's learn how to sign. Number 1, start signing every day. The best way to get better at ASL? Use it every single day. Even if you only know a handful of signs, start using them in your daily life. Now here's how. Sign things around your home. Maybe narrate your actions. You're making coffee? Sign coffee. Are you putting on your shoes? Sign shoes. Now that might be hard to remember to do. Try labeling things around your house. Put sticky notes on your fridge, mirror, and door with the word and try to recall the sign. Sign to yourself in ASL. It might feel a little weird at first, but it's a game changer for building fluency. And don't forget about fingerspelling. People get stuck here, but the only way to get better is to practice. Spell names, street signs, grocery lists, anything. Play fingerspelling games or challenge yourself to spell words you see throughout the day. We even have made several fingerspelling quizzes and exercises that you can use to practice with. Also, learn full phrases and questions, not just words. Instead of memorizing eat, learn you, want, eat what? Instead of just where, learn your house, where? This will help you actually hold conversations instead of feeling stuck piecing words together. In nearly every one of our vocabulary videos, we have phrases at the end that you can practice and use. Number 2, get comfortable using facial expression. ASL isn't just about the hands moving. It's a visual language, and that means your face is a part of the grammar. Think about this. If you say the word really in English, but your face is totally blank and you have no inflection in your voice, it doesn't sound like a real question or emphasis. For example, really versus really hungry. This is the same thing in ASL. Your eyebrows, mouth movements, and even head tilts give meaning to what you're signing. So try this. Stand in front of a mirror and exaggerate different emotions while you're signing the sign. Say for instance, happy, excited, confused, mad. While you're signing, practice questions with raised eyebrows, furrowed eyebrows, and statements with a neutral face. Try this. You, name what? Me, name Meredith. Notice the question and then the statement. Watch native signers and mimic their expression. And if you're feeling brave, record yourself signing. I know. It's awkward at first, but trust me, watching yourself helps you catch mistakes and see where you can improve. It's also fun to look back later and see how much progress you've made. Number 3, watch signers and join the ASL community. If you're only practicing in a vacuum, your ASL will feel a little unnatural. You have to watch real signers in action. Follow deaf and ASL creators on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Watch how they sign and how their hands move and how their facial expression changes. Even if you don't understand everything at first, just watching will train your brain to process ASL faster. And shameless plug, we are on all major social media platforms, so give us a follow. I'll also list several creators I think you should follow below. Now, don't just watch, interact. Find a silent chat or ASL meetup. Go to a deaf event. Now, if you can't meet in person, join an online Facebook group or a video chat. We even offer silent chats with our accelerated program. Find the way that works best for you. The more you sign with real people, the more confident you'll become. ASL isn't a language, it's a community, and being a part of it will help you grow much faster. Number 4, focus on the whole picture, not just signs. A lot of new signers get stuck thinking, I need to learn more words. But ASL is more than just signs. It's about understanding the language as a whole. Here are some practical ways to do this. Watch sign conversations so your brain can process ASL at full speed. Learn ASL grammar. If you sign English word order, it's not ASL. Instead, learn topic, comment, structure, facial expression, and classifiers so your signing actually looks like ASL. Focus on meaning, not just signs. There are many different signs and other tools in ASL that can be used to get your message across. Work on receptive skills, not just expressive skills. Watching and interacting with many different signers and their accents will make conversations so much easier. If you only focus on memorizing words, you'll always feel stuck. But if you focus on truly understanding how ASL works as a whole, you'll feel way more confident communicating. Number 5, be patient and have fun. Look, learning ASL isn't an overnight thing. It takes time, practice, and a lot of mistakes. And that's okay. Here's my advice. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace, so celebrate the small wins. If you signed a full conversation today, awesome. Did you understand a fingerspelled word without struggle? Even better. Have fun with it. Play games, watch ASL stories. Challenge yourself to sign a full conversation without voicing. The more consistent and patient you are, the better you'll get. And before you know it, you'll have a full conversation in ASL. I hope these 5 things are able to help you. Which one do you think you need to work on the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to take your ASL skills to the next level, sign up for our free 10-day ASL Jumpstart. It's 10 days of ASL sent straight to your inbox. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.